So people, welcome again people to MG Sports TV. Guess what? This is the starting lineup for the Reggae Boyz game versus Grenada. Big changes in the squad. Huge changes in the squad, I have to say. This is significant. What does this mean? Now, for one, I never expected this. I totally never expected this, people. And I'm telling the truth. Maybe it could be injury. I don't know. Is he saving the players for the 80 game? So let's run through the starting lineup. Jamal Waite in goal. Captain on the bench. Tavon Gray. Michael Hector. Deshaun Bernard. Damian Lowe on the bench. Assistant. Or vice captain, I should say. Gregory at left back. In the midfield, Joel Latibody and Kevin Lambert. I'm quite disappointed in that. Can't have two holy midfielders going up against Grenada. Two CDM going up against Grenada, people. For me personally, yeah. Then we have Demar Gray, Shaman Nicholson, Barbary. So both Barbary and Demar Gray on either side of the wing. Romario and Williams and Shaman Nicholson leading the front line. So that's 4-4-2. But big statement coming from Al Grimson. Captain and vice captain on the bench. Starman Leon Daly on the bench. First we're seeing this. And I'm being honest, I can't remember seeing a Reggae Boyz squad with Leon Bailey on the bench. I can't recall seeing it. Big people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Very interesting start lineup here by Coach Al Grimson. Let's see what this squad will do. Can this squad get the job done? Will this squad get the job done? It'll be very interesting to see how this one will be played out.